Okay, let's just very quickly prepare practice our addition and subtraction. Okay, so let's give you an example. Um, 8, 4, 3, 2 plus 4, 7, 6, 9. Okay, can you add that for me on your piece of paper?
Okay.
Hmm.
But I haven't learned over 1,000 yet.
It's the same adding. You just try what you can. I will go through later, don't worry. You just add it as how you know how to edit. Then we will see how you do.
Mm, is this okay?
Let me know what's the final answer.
13,201.
Very good. Okay, that's very, very well done. So let's very quickly go through how did you do it. Did you start from the left or the right?
Right.
Okay, then tell me how did you add up the right hand side?
Because from the right, left, sometimes
Right?
from the right because you just need to use it from the
Yes.
right.
So what happens? 9,
Yeah.
what do you add up at the right hand side?
Because 2 plus 9 and 9 plus 2 is the same. That's why I use the fastest 9 plus 2. 9 plus
And
2
then
is
what is
11.
9? So 11 like that, correct?
Yeah, yeah.
Then move on to the tens.
The tens means 4 plus 6 equals 10. So
Good.
the ones
And then?
so 5 plus 7 equals 2. So no,
2 or
it's
what?
12. 12.
Yes, good.
So that one's there. And 9 plus 4 equals 13.
Very good. Okay, let me give you one more example for subtraction. Uh, okay, can you do this for me?
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm done.
Okay, answer?
1,589.
Very good. Okay, so same thing, we start from the right, correct? So
Yep.
what do we have? Can 8 minus 9?
No. So you
So what do
take
you need to do?
so you take from the left
Mm-hmm.
1/10, then you cancel the 8, turn it to 18, and
Okay.
then the one you take from you change it to 3.
Okay, good. So 18 minus 9 is 9, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, then same thing. 3 cannot minus 5, so I need to
Go from the left. Then the left
borrow from 7.
yeah,
7 becomes
6.
good. Then I bring over a 10. So 13
Yeah.
minus 5 is
8.
Great. So now 6 can minus 1, it's 5. And the thousands place, what do I have?
So 1.
4 minus 3. Very good. Okay, so it seems that you are very familiar with your addition and subtraction. Very good. So I'll start lesson directly. Can? Okay,
Okay.
so let's look at the first question. Okay, so the question 1 to question 5 will be the same question. Okay, so we go in order. Question 1 to question 5, then we move on. Okay, so question 1. There are 400 and... what happened? Okay, there are 442 girls in the school hall. 179 more girls than boys. How many children are there? Okay, so we have this information, and we need to find all together. So first, what is the first step before we can find all together?
We need to find, let me see. We need to find how many boys are there to
Very
find
good.
the total.
Yes, so 2 steps. First, find number 1, number of boys, then I find all together. Now, can you tell me, are there more boys or more girls?
There is more girls.
Good. So to find the number of boys, I need to minus, correct or not?
Yeah.
So let's draw the model, okay? Since there are more girls, the girls' bar is going to be longer. Okay, wait. One thing I need to tell you is all the slides today, okay, will be sent to you directly. So you don't need to copy anything. Okay,
Okay.
all the slides, including what I draw on the screen, will be emailed to your mommy. Can?
Okay.
So for now, you don't need to draw until I ask you to help me draw. So girls, boys. Okay, there are 442 girls. Now, what is the difference between the boys and the girls based on what the question say?
There's 179 more girls.
So is it correct that I label here 179? Correct or not?
Yes.
So for the first question mark, you told me I need to find the number of boys.
Yeah.
Then the final question mark is the total. Total is like that. When I draw a curly bracket, including the girls and the boys, I'm finding the total. Have you seen this curly bracket before?
Yeah.
Okay, so basically the curly bracket is girls plus boys. Can? Okay, so
Okay.
first step, to find the number of boys, what do I need to do? What numbers do I use?
You need to minus the girls, and that means it's 442 minus 179.
Very good. So I take the number of girls minus the difference, correct? So
Yeah.
442 minus 179. I will do this very quickly. Okay. So I have 263 boys. So what is the next step after finding the number of boys?
Means you have to plus how much girls are there and how much boys are there.
Okay, I know the number of girls, I know the number of boys. So what's the next step?
Means you have to find how many girls and how many boys are there all together.
Okay, so altogether means total, correct? So
Yes.
what numbers do I add up?
442 plus 263.
Very good. Okay, so if we add up 442 and 263 together, I get 705. Easy?
Yes.
Not difficult, right? Okay, the next example is going to be similar. Okay, this time, okay, I want you confident in drawing the model?
Uh, yes.
Okay, so can you draw the model on the paper for me? Just the model, including the numbers here and here. And I want to see the question mark, what you need to find to
Okay.
answer the question. So you draw the model, then you show me in the camera. Okay?
Okay.
Good. me see. Need to bring it higher. Higher a bit. Very good. Okay, it seems like you already solved the question, nah. But before we solve, okay, let's look at the model first, okay? Yeah. Okay, so the first step, we draw the number of girls and boys. The girls is longer, correct? That is what you drew as well. The boys is shorter. And we label this as 598. This as 334. Same? Same as yours?
Yes.
Do I see the question mark here? Do you have a question mark?
Yeah.
You got put question mark, huh? And the final question mark is this one. Correct? Two question marks
Yep.
that we need to find. Okay, so I see that you already wrote out the steps of the question. Now, in the exam, okay, you need to write out like that. Boys, you cannot just write the working. You need to write the statement. Okay, the statement is like that. Boys is what? How do you find the number of boys?
Need to minus how many girls and how much more girls.
So basically the total of the number of girls minus the difference. So what numbers do you use?
Yeah. You have to minus 5. No. Yes. 598 minus 334.
Very good. What's your answer for that? I saw that you already did the workings.
Well, actually, I haven't read the working yet. That's
Okay.
this number.
Oh, you just wrote. Okay, can you do that for me? 598 minus 334. What's your answer?
The answer is 264.
Very good. So 598 minus 334. I get 4 here, 6, 2. Good. So this is the number of boys, correct? Jingjie?
Yes.
Okay, what is the next step? I need to find all together. So what should I do?
You have to plus means you have to plus
Plus which ones?
598 and 334.
Huh? 334. Ah?
No. You have
What
to
should you use?
plus
598 plus?
264.
Good. So 264 is the number of boys, not 334, right? So 598 is the number of girls plus the number of boys. Okay, so let's add this up. Can you tell me 8 plus 4 gives you?
Total is 862.
Very good. So 8 plus 4 is 12. 9 plus 1 plus 6 is 16. Then this is 8. So 862. Very good job. Okay? So this is the answer. Okay, question 3, I want you to try. Draw the model